Hello everyone, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So for those of you who don't know, most of you do know, I go to Indiana University and I'm a freshman here. So here in Indiana, it's kind of a huge week. It is Little 500, which is known as one of the greatest college weeks in America. Also, I should probably explain what Little 500 is for those of you who don't know, because I had no clue what it was. So essentially it's a bike race, but everyone makes it like a huge thing and thousands of people fly into Indiana to watch it and just to celebrate this whole week. At least that's what I got from it. So I thought I would vlog this week and show you guys everything I get up to, and my friends and I getting ready every night because there's some really cool fun themed parties. And yeah. So tonight is officially the first night. I'm gonna be going out with some of my friends tonight, so let's start getting ready. Little 5 2019. Let's do this. So this is not what I'm wearing out tonight, don't worry guys. Also, I got this tripod. I don't know how to feel about it. Comment down below if you guys are like noticing a difference, or if all the angles look the same. I don't know. I'm glowing.
Pay the price for it,
My friend Jacqueline just got here. Jacqueline, say hi. Okay, makeup is done. Tonight's party is pink themed, so we're all gonna go all out in pink. I'm gonna go get dressed and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing for tonight. Okay, I think that looks okay. I feel like I look like I'm ready to go on a run. Here's the OOTD. I'm wearing this headband that I got off Amazon. I know all of you guys were dying to know where that was from. I realized that spending a ton of money on party clothes that I'm probably never gonna wear again is really silly. So I went on Amazon just to find a bunch of like party clothes that could go with the themes, and I think it looks actually like really cute. But anyways, I'm just wearing this bralette underneath, and then I'm wearing my Rag & Bone leather jeans that I always wear, and then just my black booties. Okay, let's go downstairs and see what everyone else is wearing. You look cute. Hi guys. You guys went all out with the hair. How's Little 5 going?
It's going great.
I look like such a mess right now. Oh my god. It is officially day 2 of Little 5. Last night was so fun. I just ordered some food because I'm gonna be going out tonight with some of my friends. We're going to a concert. I have no clue who's performing. I think it's Smoke Perp, but I don't know who that is, so. I honestly probably know who he is. I just would probably need to hear his songs before. I'm just going for my friends, honestly. I need to get ready because I look like a mess. So let's go do that and I will talk to you guys after. Okay, my food just got here. I just got a cucumber avocado roll because I'm really picky with sushi. This looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this now. Key is to take a little of this, put it on top. Bam. So good. Okay, makeup is done. I need to flat iron my hair a little bit and touch it up, but I think that's pretty much it. Let me actually show you guys what I put on my lips because I always get questions about like what lip combo I use. So first I use this lip liner by Hourglass. It's in the shade Eden. I've been using it for, I want to say like almost 2 years, and it's lasted me this long. I need to get a new one though. It's like kind of dead. But this is my go-to absolute favorite lip liner, so I outline my lips with that and then kind of like put it over my lips a little bit just to give it some color. And then I use this lipstick by L'Oreal, and it's in the shade 109, and I kind of like blot it on a tissue because it's like a little too pink, but then I take the excess and put it on my lips, and it gives me like this nice little plum pink, whatever you want to call it, color. But this is my go-to lip combo. I get so many questions about like what I use on my lips, and this is usually it. So yeah, I'm with Self. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog, it's been a minute.
It's been a minute. Wait, let's show them what you're wearing too so they can get a feel. Okay, here's the OTD.
I think Tiger Mist.
Tiger Mist. And then pants are Tiger Mist. Those are so cool. Wow, all Tiger Mist. Okay, we're gonna go see Smoke Perp. And we'll see you guys there.
Baby, let's get it.
I go Benny. By the end of the night, I feel like
It is day 3 of Little 5. I'm so excited for today. So we're having a party during the day, a darty. Today's theme is Hawaiian themed, so it's gonna be really fun. We get to wear warm weather clothing, so I get to finally wear shorts. I'm literally so excited. Probably gonna wear these. I feel like this is like beach themed. Are these cute? I can't tell. I need to take off the sticker. But anyways, that's kind of the plan for today. And yeah. So I'm either gonna wear these ripped jeans or the shorts I'm wearing. I don't know which ones yet. I feel like these are still Hawaiian vibes, kind of. I don't know. And then I'm gonna wear this red Hawaiian shirt over it.
guys, how's Little 5 treating you? Blake, you are cashed.
Okay, update. So I got home a little bit ago and totally cashed out. So tonight's party is 80s in Aspen. I ordered something online and I was scared it wasn't gonna come, but it finally came. This neon shirt dress. It's really bright. But hopefully it looks okay. I'm gonna try it on and I'll show you guys after. Okay, so this is kind of what I came up with. So I ended up cutting the dress into a shirt just because it was fitting really weirdly and it just didn't look good. So it's now a shirt. But anyways, headband is from Amazon, shirt, Dolls Kill, and then pants are Rag & Bone. These are the ones I wore the other night too. And yeah, so let's go to dinner because I'm so hungry and I'm also late. So I will see you guys there.
Can I get the comment? Yeah.
I look absolutely crazy. Where's your neon?
That's funny.
Okay, so I just got a chicken taco. I'm a super picky eater, so I just get like plain chicken. And yeah. Well, it's raining out right now. See you next year, Little 5. I can hear you grunting in the back.
Anyways.
That's Chocolate in the background doing workout. Wait. Wait, pink? Purple.
No. I'm gonna look
Wait,
at
I need Smoke Perp. Knew it. Ginger, you literally look like such a nugget. Oh, I miss my dog. So excited for today.